Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Heromask Pro VR headset, which is good for educating children, entertaining adults, and family. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, just in case you're new to my channel, I just wanted to do a quick intro. My name is All Out with Mobile WizTech, and my channel pretty much focuses on doing mobile gadget reviews, tips, tricks, and also some of those hard to find fixes. And if you can please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I drop new content on my channel. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so this again is called the Heromask Pro VR headset, and this could be used for educational purposes or used to watch 360 videos or play VR games. All right, what's nice about this, it actually has a button on it, I think on the bottom left side, so you won't need a controller to navigate through it. All right, so with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. Pop this open here. Quick start guide right here. All right, got some material here. All right, looks like that was a cleaning cloth. Go ahead and pick that up. So you have a cleaning cloth, and then looks like a manual or a guide to get things going, different languages. All right, pull this out. Box is empty from that point. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way and jump right into it. So I'm pretty sure the setup process is going to be quite straightforward. All right, I'm pretty sure it is. So let's take a look at it. All right, so you have two wheels on the side and one in the middle, and that's used to adjust your view. So if I roll the wheels on the side, I'm not sure if you're going to notice it, but you see how that's moving the right lens and then the left lens. See that there? All right, and then the middle wheel, this one here, will adjust your wide view. So let me go ahead and see if you can see that as well. See how that's moving? All right, so these wheels here are used to adjust your view or your focus while wearing a Heromask headset. And let's take a look at this here, like a touchpad, and you have an action button. Installing your phone is quite easy. All you need to do is push this button here and then drop your phone screen facing towards the lens and then close the door. All right. Now, according to the Amazon listing, this will support the Note 10, Note 9, and some of the other phones. But if you have like a Note 20 Ultra or the larger phones, then you may not be able to put your phone in here because it'll be too large. All right, so just keep that in mind. Make sure you pay attention to which phones are compatible with this before purchasing it. All right, so to get this operating, all you need to do is grab your phone. Depending if you have an iPhone or Android, you'll go to the App Store or the Play Store and do a search for 360 videos or VR apps, pretty much cardboard apps, right? Cardboard VR headset apps. And then once you have that installed, go ahead and run the app first and then place it into the headset, and that's it. Now, I will not be able to demonstrate this because you will not be able to see it from the camera lens, but it's a really simple process. Again, just download the app, run it first, and then place it in the headset, and then you'll be good to go. And you can see that it has that fabric material. So pretty comfortable. And it has this Fox-like leather material here with padding. So it should feel comfortable while wearing it. All right. It's not heavy. And this band is really stretchable. So it should be able to adjust to your head size. And you can also pull the Velcro back here if you need to make any further adjustments, or there you go. Depending on the size of your head. All right. Now this headset is perfect for educating children with the VR experience or 360 videos, and is even good for entertaining adults or family. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Heromask Pro VR headset, which is good. Now, if you're interested in this headset, go to the description section, as I will have a link posted there. And this completes my review of the Heromask Pro VR headset. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.